What's up guys, hope you're doing great. Today I'm going to show you using Python how you can extract data from the Zillow. Okay, so it's going to be really informative and comprehensive and great for those who are either interested in web scraping and want to improve their knowledge, or maybe you are just a normal data enthusiast, or maybe you are crazy about real estate insights. Okay, because we're going to extract data about homes. Renting homes, or maybe selling homes, or maybe, it's a website. Zillow it's Zillow's jobs actually. And I'm going to use a Scrapy. Okay, so it's not about Chrome driver and Selenium or Playwright, because they're slow and they're not accurate in my opinion, and they're costly. Okay, when you want to do a real world project, so the time is really important for the employer. Okay, so it's all about sending some requests, and I'm going to show some interesting things. It's completely practical, and don't miss this video because I'm going to show you how you can bypass 403 error when you send requests to the Zillow. Okay, maybe you need to use some proxy, maybe you need to add some custom headers such as fake user agents. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how you can paginate. Okay, paginate paginate in Zillow is really difficult. I'm going to show you how you can bypass and handle this challenging part, and then we're going to parse the data. Okay, we want to take the data from the Zillow as fast as possible using a Scrapy in Python, and at the end I'm going to tell you what is the advantages of web scraping. What am I doing actually as a web scraper? Only extracting data for what? Okay, so it's really cool. Don't miss this video, and if you're ready, I think so let's get started. I think okay, I've created a new environment in Python using Zillow. Okay, using this command you can create a new environment in Python, and then you need to activate your environment because we're going to use a Scrapy and using its start project. So we need to go to Zillow. Just let me change my terminal. Okay, to Zillow, then script, and say activate. Okay. Oh, okay, my bad. So if you're using macOS or Linux, you need to use different command when you want to create your environment. Okay, you can Google it, it's really simple. And then you need to install Scrapy using this command, pip install Scrapy. I already installed it, and then I'm going to say that Scrapy start project, and I'm going to give it the name Zill Scraper. Okay, Zill Scraper. And as you can see, Zillow Scraper is here. Okay, then you need to go to the Zillow. Okay, go to the Zillow Scraper, then use this command to generate your spider. Scrapy gen spider and zilspider. Okay, and you need to give it a domain. Okay, zillow.com maybe. Okay, but I'm going to remove this. So we have the spiders here, as you see, and here is the Zillow spider. Okay, send request and parsing the data. Okay, I created many comprehensive videos about the Scrapy in my channel, so if you are new to Scrapy and web scraping, you can check them out. Okay, now let's check out Zillow. Okay, here is the Zillow website. I'm opening it as in incognito, and I'm going to extract data from the New York. Okay, as an example, New York. Okay, New York. Skip this question. So I found that it uses JavaScript. if you send some GET requests to this website, let me show you. Actually, it makes my video too long, but I think I need to explain everything, because otherwise I'm not okay. I don't know why. And yeah, if you send GET request and take the HTML, first of all, it doesn't use any APIs. Okay, I've already checked its network. Okay, so trust me, what happened? Oh my God. Okay, by the way, the data that we are looking for are these homes. We want to scrape their bedrooms, their price, the image, and also the full URL. This URL. Okay, we want to scrape this information and many more things. Okay, address, zip code, and some details which are not visible here. So yeah, oh my God, yeah. So when you send some GET requests, you're not able to take all data. Okay, only 10 or maybe 8 of these homes. Okay, but we have 41 homes. 41 items. Okay, for sale. Okay, I just want to work with sale, and for now. And yeah, for example, there's a LI tag I found, and yeah, they're located. Ooh, let me. Okay, ULLI. Okay, so the many LI is available, and all of them are about these homes when we are using our browser. Okay, but it uses JavaScript. And first I thought that we're gonna use Selenium, but then I found something more interesting than using Selenium. I found that data is located in a next data script tag. Okay, where is it? Here. Everything that we want and going to use is located here. Let me show you. Okay, and if you want to paginate, there is a next page URL in this next data script. Everything about these homes. Okay, everything is available there, and let me show you how you can take. I'm going to use some JavaScript. I'm not familiar with JavaScript, but yeah, some easy ones. When I make constant, for example, I want to first take that next data script to show you what it has. Okay, document get element by ID, and I've explained many things in my videos, so now I'm just using them. Okay, but it is in my own characteristics. I'm going to explain everything. Okay, but it's going to be really short, this video, I hope. Okay, we take an X data in NX, and we need to parse using JSON const JSNX, for example, equals to JSON dot parse, if I'm not mistaken. And we need to say NX, but it's content. Okay, it's string content, text content. Oh, okay, what happened? JSON parse NX dot text content. So okay, it should work. What happened? NX JSON parse. Let me print it. Maybe it works. It's just a normal errors. I don't know. JSNX. Okay, we have a problem here. JSON. Okay, JSON.parse text content. So what is your problem, bro? What's happening here? Oh my god. Next data, okay. Oh, okay. I think there was an internet connection problem there. Then I'm going to print that next data. Oh, I thought I should skip. I should skip this video and pause the video and handle this error, but okay, hopefully. And then when you go to props, then page props, then when you go to search page state and go to category 1, there is a search result here, and we have a list result, 41 result. Okay, as you can see, everything that we want is located here. Good. Yeah, address, city, area, bath, bedrooms. Okay, and also if you're interested, you can take all, I mean, you can extract all photos if you want. The URL that we wanted. Okay, so we're not gonna use a Selenium or any Chrome driver. Okay, and from HTTP data we have many more interesting things such as price, types, and okay, zip code once again. And let me show you. Yeah, everything that we want is here, and we wanna first send a GET request to this HTML. I mean, not this one. I'm going to show you. The first one was much more simpler and shorter. Then I'm going to show you how we can paginate, but let me show you where is the pagination. As I said before, it is located right here. We need to, from search page state, I think, go to cat1 and go to search list. Where is it? Oh, my eyes. Search list, and then there is a pagination, I think, if I'm not mistaken, and there's a next URL, which is homes for sale 2_p. It means page 2 because it's a page 1. Okay, let's check it out. We know that we have the homes, for example, and it says that we need to let me for example copy. Okay, calm down. Then homes. Okay. So let me show you. We're in the page 1, and oh, my internet connection is really we're in page 2. Okay, interesting. So we have the pagination here. I mean, we can send a GET request. Let me use my interesting pen. So we can send a GET request. Okay, we parse some information. Okay, then we grab the next URL. Okay, then we send another. Okay, then we send another GET request for this next URL. Then we parse data once again, and that's it. Just let me explain one more thing about Zillow. It only gives us the first 20 pages. I don't know why, but it's their own maybe problem. I cannot do anything with this problem. I mean, maybe it's not a problem, and I will show you why. Let me go and show you. We only have access to the first 20 pages, and it gives us something like 900, maybe about 1,000, about 1K house, which is, I think, okay. But oh my god, come on. So look, we're on the page 20, but there's no any other pages. Okay, it's like Google. When you go to the next page, and okay, it just stops. So we cannot do anything with this. And I'm going to show you how you can scrape and extract data from the first 20 pages of Zillow for any location. Okay, and for sale. And if you want to extract more data, you just need to play with these filters, okay? For example, maximum 50,000, 272 pull with only maybe 8 or 9 pages, okay? But it works. I mean, this process, when you filter the data, you need to actually use these queries in your URL, and it's quite different, okay? It's completely different from the job that we are going to do, okay? So if you're interested, just let me know, and I will create a new comprehensive video about how to filter the data that we want to extract, okay? Because we only able to extract the first 20 page, but it works, okay? Maybe you just can, I mean, you can, for example, in Calgary, in Canada, my future university, Calgary, okay? In Calgary, we have something like, let me show you in map. There's a place named Bowness, okay? So when you say Bowness, Calgary, we have only, I just wanna remove this filter. I'm not gonna use filter, okay? We have 27 results, okay? So it works actually. You just need to limit your search, okay? But if you wanna do something really crazy and practical about Zillow, I wanna deal with it, just let me know. I will create a video maybe, or maybe I will do your project for yourself, okay? So, okay. And okay, I think we are done with the explanation, and let's get it started. I mean, let's code. Yeah, let's code. Okay, I'm not gonna use the start URLs. I'm going to create my own function for start request, and it take only itself, as you know. And if you have watched my video, you don't have any problem with my code. And I'm going to say that yield Scrapy dot request, and it takes a URL equals to self.url, and need to say callback is self.parse. And okay, so let's first check, I mean, use find the first URL that we need to take. Let me just reopen my Cognito and search for Zillow. Okay. New York. Skip this question. Okay, homes. Okay, but we do not need this for sale. And here is the data that we want. I mean the first URL, okay, for the New York. So let's copy this. And I think it's not gonna be a list, it's just a string. Zillow, New York, NY homes. Okay, everything sounds okay. And first we send a request, then we parse the data, then we take the next page URL and add the next page URL to this. Okay, I'm going to show you. Just be a little bit patient. Maybe I'm not good at explaining, but I'm good at showing the result. Okay, so you maybe understand at the end, not at the end, but okay. So we have sent a request, for example, then we need to parse. But let me show you something really crazy in a Scrapy shell. If you haven't watched my video, once again, because I have used the Scrapy shell and the Scrapy things many times, and there are many tricks, okay? So it's really helpful to watch them. Okay, using fetch, we can send a request, okay, to the Zillow. So let's check their anti-bot detection, maybe. Okay. Oh, okay, everything is okay. We didn't got 403. Let me send another request. Oh, forbidden. Oh, okay. Forbidden by robots.txt. You need to open settings and you need to put it as a false, and concurrent request. It's better to be first because we are not going to use proxy. We may be blocked. Okay, we may get blocked. Our IP, I mean. Let me exit it. Each time that you change a setting, you need to exit and run a Scrapy shell once again to update the information and setting. I'm going to say that fetch and take this URL and okay. Oh, we got 403 here. That we got 200 because we went to the robot.txt, as you know what it is. Okay, you know, if you don't know, just let me know in comment and I will answer you in the comment. Okay, it's not good for this video. We got 403. I mean, we're not able to send requests to the Zillow. What should we do? Okay, oh, should we pay for proxies and these things? No, you need to add your custom headers as a browser. Okay, we're just using some normal headers in a Scrapy. Okay, there is a part here, default request headers. Okay, I tried before. I mean, it works somehow sometimes, but it better to mimic and simulate or stimulate. English is really hard. Simulate like a real browser. What we can do, I mean, how to do that? We can open on inspect. This video is really great. Okay, I will show you. I will tell you why. When you open network, let me refresh. There is a document. I mean, it is the where is it? If it is GRA. I should. Everything that we want is here, New York search query. Okay, no, not we do not have anything here. Okay, my bad, just some CSS. I think. Yeah, it is exactly what we want. Okay, my bad. Because each time I use the home only, home slash, I mean this URL. That's why I found because this URL is much shorter than this. Okay, I just got confused, but it's exactly this part. Okay, because we worked with these, we played with the data. By the way, okay, I'm going to use just these headers. Okay, I'm going to put them in my headers. Okay, so we have the accept, so we don't need that, but it can be good to use exactly what it has because you can see there are many more things here. So our accept is equal to this. Let me just go to the next line. Okay, let me first make it as a dictionary, accept encoding, accept language. Okay, no cache for cache control. There are more. Where is the user agent? Okay, we do not need the cookies, and there's some information here. I'm not gonna use we need the referrer. Okay, we can something more interesting than this, but you can copy the C URL and use some converter. Actually, I forgot. I wanted to use that. Oh, maybe. Oh my god. C URL to request. Open the first URL. You can copy this URL, as CRL bash and paste it here. Now you have the headers. Okay, I wanted to use this, but I just forgot. Okay, my bad. That's why my videos are longer than I expect most of the time. Let me only copy these because it's no, actually it's my real code. I use that to have, to have the suggestion, because I don't have cap pilot for GitHub. There's some AI. Okay. Okay, reference. Okay. Now we have exactly the headers that our browser has. We need to exit, and once again a Scrapy shell, and send a request to the Zillow. Oh, okay. We got 200. Okay. Oh, what is this? No matter. We just crawled and got 200 for the Zillow. So it sends request here. Then there's a URL, and we say that after sending a request to this URL, you need to go to the parse with the response. Okay. Now it's time to take that next data. Okay, get element by ID. That was for JavaScript. We're going to use a different thing in Python. Okay, I'm going to for JSON first, then in response, we can say xpath, and get for take it as a string. Now we're going to use xpath here, and everything it can be before this script tag. What was it? Script tag? Or yeah, that was a script tag. Script tag which has this ID, next underscore data underscore. Yeah, next underscore data, and we want its text. Okay. Oh yeah, response. Always using response. What is this problem? text. What am I doing? It's about 8 a.m. and I haven't slept last night. Okay. We just took that script tag, but what next? We needed to that was a props and page props result. We need to go to that target data, then we can scrape them. Okay. How to do that? First, we need to convert it as a JSON. It's just a string. Okay, as you can see, but it is in dictionary format, but we can use JSON to convert it as a real JSON. So we need to say that this is that NXT, for example. Okay, then we need to convert it as JSON between. Okay, because we have the JSON library imported first, is simply JSON loads, and we need to give it that NX. Okay, so we have it as a JSON, right? And what was what were those data? What is the homes, for example? Okay, in let me put it as a data, not JSON. Okay, because it's a data. And the homes, those search results were data. And let me show you another things as fast as possible. Okay, let me open my JSON viewer. I hope I'm not in. Oh, I should write. Oh my god. Why should I explain everything to you guys? const dot okay, const get element by ID. Okay. Oh my god. Let me refresh this. What's the problem? Get element by ID. Next data. Okay. Okay. Don't unsubscribe me. Okay. I know I messed up. Okay, please like this video if you're watching this. Get element by ID. Okay, then we need to const JSNX equals to JSON.parse, and we need to say nx dot text content. Okay. So console.log, so print in JavaScript JSNX. Oh, okay. Let's be fast. Props. So we have this, okay? We have, I mean, this part, okay? So we need to go to the props, then to the, from props, go to the page props, then go to the search page state, then go to the category one, then search result and list result, okay? Exactly this, okay? That's why I prepared this. I mean my code, okay? Page props, search result, category one, search result and list result. Okay, let me copy this and here, I mean here, okay? Here is the homes, okay? In JSON we can go to the, go profound and deep to the data. We can use this structure, okay? Props, page props, search page states, category one, search result and list result, okay? Press enter. So let's take the very first one in Python, homes. Okay, everything that we wanted here, such as zip ID. It is a status for sale, or it's image src, the main image src. Okay, it's interesting, the URL, the zip code, the address, everything that we want, the price, the bedrooms. Okay, so that's it for parsing the data. So we need to do the same for all homes. For example, let me show you another thing. For example, homes homes, the very first one is equal to home, for example. I'm just going to show you. I don't know why I like to show everything. It takes time and makes my video maybe boring, I'm not sure, but maybe I should do. For example, for as you can see, there is here. Oh, I wanted to show something else. I'm forgetting everything. Search result. Okay, I want to copy list result as an object and open it here. Okay, so we can see it better. Okay, for example, if you want to image src, we can simply say that from home I want image src. Okay, interesting. I just wanted to show you this, okay, this important thing. And there is another thing. For example, we can say that home that get, we need to use this instead of those brackets. We want image src. If it's not, give me none. Okay, we have it. Let me use this one. It gave none. Okay, because sometimes we do not have some information, such as maybe zip code, maybe some image. Okay, and in Python it breaks the code, and we don't want to do it. We don't want that. Okay, we want to take and go through all data, and if they're available we want to extract them. Okay, that's why I'm going to use this home.get, and let me copy that, this. I haven't, okay, forget about it. Let me first let me write these codes, then I'm going to use those. Okay, it removed because there's a limited space in terminal, so I'm going to use my code. First no pain no gain. First next data script is to using XPath, as I said. Okay, next data text, we get the string, that's get. JSON.loads, we convert it as JSON. Don't forget to import JSON here. You do not need to install it, you already have it. And then we have the homes. Oh, what a sound. No. Homes, we have the homes. Okay, and we know that it is 41. Okay, and we say that for home in homes. Now it's time to copy that large clear things. Okay, first I take everything that I want and put them as a dictionary here in home data, home type. Okay, and there is a information in the HTTP data home info. Let me show you. For example, here in one home there's a HPD data and home info, and there are some information, okay, such as zip code, city, state, longitude, latitude, price, bathroom, bedroom, the limit. Okay, that's why I said I use this, and then I said get home type. If it's not available, give me none. And there is something else in posted on Zillow, for example, here, which sound interesting. For example, days on Zillow, 32 days ago. It posted, for example, 32 days ago. That's why I first take the day on Zillow, then I added days ago, okay, to show you, to make it more beautiful when you want to read the data and when you want to work with our object. Home URL, home main image, okay, everything that we want. And yeah, that's it. Then I just yielded the home data. Okay, so let me run the code. Just let me skip the video because my camera is going to be turned off and I want to refresh the battery. Okay, we have our code here and we want to run our spider. Okay, now we're not going to use a Scrapy shell. How to run our spider? It's simple. You have to say Scrapy and then crawl. Crawl is like this, CR crawl. Okay, then you need to use this name. It's really important. It should be exactly like this, zilspider. Then it scrapes the data, but I want the output to be written in JSON object. Okay, that's why I'm going to use -o and out.json. Ta-da! Ooh. I like that. We have a data for the first page. It's cool, yeah. It's cool. It's really cool. Look at this amazing thing, but I think it's for that ads, okay, because there is an ad in their data. By the way, home type, single family, 13 days ago was posted. The home URL, let me open it to show you. Okay, it's really great, isn't it? Don't forget to like this video, okay? I don't create content for you otherwise. Main page, ooh, cool. And also status, home price, home address, home zip code, bedroom, bathroom, and home area. Cool. So let's paginate and make it, complete this project. How to paginate, okay? As I showed you here in pagination. There was something here, okay? I don't, because I'm going to save the time. There was something, and it was like okay, let me use it, and then I explain it here. Okay, we need to okay, it's not part of this loop. When we parse the data and extracted the data for the page 1 from props, page props, search page states, category 1, search list, pagination, we want to get next URL, okay? If it's available. And if it's not, it gives us none. And here we say if we have next page URL, I mean, if we have it, it means that we are in the last page, okay? So it's not necessary to go for the next page, okay? So we can scrape all data, okay? I mean, if it's 7 pages, it scrapes only 7 pages. If it's 10 pages, it only scrapes 10 pages, okay? Because we say that if it's not available, return none, okay? So it's really cool. What am I doing? It's not an entertaining video. And I'm going to say that if it's available, the next page full URL is equal to this. If you remember, that was something like New York /2_p for the next page if we are in the first page, okay? But we need to add this, okay? It didn't have the code, I mean the domain /homes, only New York /2_p or 3_p, okay? And yeah, that's it. And I'm going to show you. And for example, if it's available, I'm gonna print it, next page URL. Let's rerun the code once again. It scrapes the data, and if there is a next page, it only here, as you can see, the last line, it prints the second page. Let me open it. Open. Ooh, we are in the second page. Look how we are paginating through the Zillow. They will kill us. And now it's simple. If there is the next page full URL, you need to send to that URL. How we can do? Simple. Scrapy dot request once again, and URL equals to next page full URL. What is the callback? Once again, this parse self.parse, because we're using in a class, okay? So if there is a URL, it follows, and run this parse, okay? Take the next page, next data, take the homes, create a loop, parse the data, clean the data, and bypassing 403. And if there is another page, follow the next page. Let's run it. I hope I don't get blocked because I have tried this many times. Let me just, I know it doesn't work, but let me just change my user agent, okay? For example. Okay, so let's, as you know, for example, for New York, there are 221,000, okay? It only takes the first 20 pages. Oh, we have an error. What happened? What is the error? Oh my God. Oh, what is happening? I saved this. What is the error? Oh, it's about domain. Okay, that's why I don't use this domain. I don't know why, but sometimes it gives. Maybe I just need to use some Zillow. Okay. No, it was not that. Oh my god. I'm gonna kill myself. Oh, we're going 403. Really? What the? Maybe I changed it too harsh. Okay. Let's use the default setting that we had. Crazy. Zillow is really crazy. Okay. It has our user agents. I don't know what happened, but yeah, it is working hopefully. And we are, yeah, look at these 200 status code. They're really interesting when you're working with Scrapy. Yo, sometimes you may encounter 403, and I hope I don't get. Okay, we should scrape 20. Okay, only 20 because it only gives us 20, and it don't go for 1,000 pages because we have said that if there is a next page, you need to go to the next page, and if it's not, you should stop. Okay, I think it's good. Did you see this user agent? That was really weird. Oh my god, look at the results. Woo! 821 for only the New York, for example. They're really fresh. Ooh, we extracted data from the Zillow in only 10, no, not 10, maybe 20 or 25 seconds. It was really great. We were really fast, okay? And so, for example, if you want to use this script for your own, you just need to go to another area such as Calgary, my favorite, and future place, and you just need to change this Calgary-AB. It's for Alberta, okay, and put it there, okay, and it script extracts data once again for that, okay, for example here, okay, but I don't want to lose my data for the Zillow, and I'm going to buy and rent my house in the future. Oh yeah, so okay, we are done. We scrape and extracted data from the Zillow with this crazy speed using a Scrapy, and let me tell you the last important thing about web scraping, what we can do using this data. Okay, for example, we can give these information to our machine learning model to predict the homes prices. Yeah, for example, home type, for example, is a townhouse or maybe single family. It has 2 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and the price is for example 2,000 as a label, and we can train our models. Yeah, it is one of the important advantages of web scraping. What's more, you can use it for your website. Okay, you have a website, you can upload Zillow information to your own website and in real time, okay, and you can sell the houses for yourself, you can find the customers, and you can take some fees or money from the Zillow maybe. Okay, so you can do many interesting things, and more and more and more depends on your project. Okay, it's not my job to tell these information, but I just felt that it's necessary to know what we are doing. I mean, what is the purpose of web scraping actually. And you can sometimes generate some leads, contact information for your business when you want to contact some target audience. Okay, I mean target client. You can find their contact from the LinkedIn, Indeed, and I'm going to create more videos about those social medias. Okay, so don't miss my channel if you're new. And my name is Amir, as you know, and I create content about web scraping mostly and recently, and I'm crazy about computer vision and deep learning too, and I'm maybe in the future create more content about computer vision, but now I'm just focusing on web scraping because I think it's really cool. So I hope you learned something from me from this video, okay? And if you did, don't forget to hit like button, because it really helps me to create more content for you, okay? And I hope to see you in the next video, okay? So there, goodbye.